Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to see about one open source tool that is predominantly used for 3D animation, and the tool is Blender. I hope that Blender is already installed in your local machine. So in this video, we are going to see about creating a simple bouncing ball animation with the help of this Blender. So for that, first we need to add a plane. So for that, go to this add button and select mesh. Under the mesh, select the plane here. So, if you want to increase the size of the plane, then just simply select this plane. By In the right side, we will see all the objects that is placed in the screen. So, by simply selecting the plane, I can click the letter yes in the keyboard, and easily I can scale. So, we can select the size which is suited for this animation that we are going to make now. So, yes. And after that, I also need one ball to be added in the screen. So for that, under the mesh, add the UV sphere, and for placing this in the correct position, that is, it has to be in some distance above the plane. So for that, select the UV sphere from the right side and press G and X. Sorry, X means we can move this UV sphere in the X axis. If you select Y, then we can move this sphere in the Y axis. And if we press Z and move, then we can move the sphere in the Z axis. So as we are going to design only the bouncing ball in this animation, we are going to move along the X axis, and I am freezing the bouncing ball here in this position. And after that, the sphere doesn't look smooth. So for this, we can under the object property, we can select the property as shade smooth. This will smoothen the sphere surface. And after that, we have to add the color properties to the bouncing ball animation. So for that, I'm just selecting on this object, and under the shading, yes, wait a second. So under the shading, we have to select this object and click the property new. And in the base color, we can see the base color is white, and we are now going to change the base color of this object. I'm setting this object to be as blue color, and for the plane, similarly as I did for the ball, I'm giving the plane color to be as some red shade. Okay. And after that, going to the layout mode, and then clicking on this view. The view is viewport shading. We can see that the color is changed here, successfully changed. Now we want to make the ball to get bounced for the animation purpose. So for freezing the location and the scale of the ball, just click on the ball by selecting here, or we can also select from the right corner. Just click on the ball and press the key I. It will tell us to insert the keyframe menu. Here I want to freeze only the location and scale. So after location and scale the freezing, under the animation button, that is the frame component will be shown as yellow. So I need the animation to be lasted for at least 40 seconds. So in the middle of the 40 seconds, that is the 20 seconds, the ball should come down. So for that, clicking on the one, pressing the key G, and then clicking Z, it will help us to slide the ball along the Z axis. So the ball is coming here, and here also I have to insert the keyframe. So for that, clicking on the ball and then clicking on the letter I can see to insert the location and scale. So after that, I have to move the ball up. So another time, clicking on the ball, pressing the letter G and pressing the letter Z, it will help us to slide the ball along the Z axis. Now we can see that is moving up. So at the keyframe 40, yes, I have to do at the keyframe 40. Sorry, Z, clicking Z, and I have to freeze here, location and scale. Now here the start is 1, but the end is given as 250. But I want the end only animation to be lasted only for 40 seconds. So I can change the end keyframe as 40 seconds. And if we play the button now, then we can see that the ball is bouncing. So that's all today, this video. So do subscribe our channel and follow for more. Thank you.